What's up, guys? I'm Matt, and it's time to let the dice decide once again. So we're going to put that lucky hat on, and we're going to roll these dice. Alright. Let's see what 3 packs we will get today. What is this? 1, 2, and 5. Alright. Alright, so packs 1. Looks like this is the last one in slot 1. 2. Again. And 5. 3, 4, 5. Well, we are clearing the box out today. We have Guardians Rising, Celestial Storm, and Burning Shadows. Let's move those dice out of the way. Get our displays up. Go and start with pack 1, Guardians Rising. Alright, pull that code card away, and we have a Legendary Treasures code card here. There you guys go. Let me know in the comments below what you pull with it. Alright, we're going to start with an unfocused electric energy. Alright, there we go. Beware. Wismacat. APCA. Snorunt. Chansey. Machop. Alolan Sandshrew. Murkrow. Hala is the reverse, and Lunala is our regular rare. Alright, nothing there. Let's move on to number 2 slot, Celestial Storm. And we'll pull out another Legendary Treasures code card for you guys. There you go. And we have Fire Energy, Lucia, Torkoal, Oricorio, Clamperl, Phanpy, Electrike, Torchic, Onyx. Slykoth is the reverse, and Swampert is our regular rare. Still no luck. Hopefully this last pack gives us something to put up on the stand, and it is Burning Shadows. Maybe today will be the day we find that hyper rare Rainbow Charizard. Let's see. Fingers crossed. And let's see here. We'll do one last Legendary Treasures code card for you guys. There you go. Hopefully those code cards are giving you guys some good pulls online. Alright, final pack. Burning Shadows. We have Steel Energy, Simisage, Whirlipede, Guzma, Magikarp, Pansear, Alolan Rattata, Wimpod, Togedemaru, Kirlia is our reverse, and our rare is a Hollow Rhyperior. Very nice. Came through with a pull on that last pack, so I can't complain. Alright. And that Kirlia was just an uncommon. And we are way out of focus. There we go. Alright. So just one pull today out of the 3 packs, but not bad. Sorry guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more of these videos coming out real soon, go ahead and subscribe. But as always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again real soon. Subscribe now for more content.